So man guys, hey, ngiyabuyile ngopart 6. Siyangishisa ngisho lezi ndaba and ngifuna ukusiceda. Like fanele ngasahleki because ngahleka ngiyakhohle nina. Anazi. Anazi. Ngiphuza ne concoction yami. Mangibeke phansi like ngingena endabeni. Okay, uthi. Okay, uthi awusijuze. Ayivele ngihlale vele. Still ngithukile uthi ngihlale vele angoffer ukudla ngale vele ngifuni next. Amathema snacks, alcohol vele ngingafuni next because like sengifila uneasy manje and it's my first time ngila yabona uthi vele brothers vele athi bengizokukhomba ukuthi solala lokho kuyangikhombe like umuzi wami because angakhombanga uthi sisters uthi ngikhomba eroom kahle ngikhomba ishawa mina ngene ngigeze because sasa mina ngisemsebenzini uthi vele ukangibona ukuthi ngitense vele aqale vele ukukhuluma ama jokes nyana vele afile vele angasebenzi uthi hayi vele ngigeze ngiceda ngidokugeza naye vele ageze vele so like la ngisha khona ngihlala khona lapha until azangithola move around yabo vele usisi uthi yo yo my throat usisi uthi vele yo usisi vele uthi nami ngithanda ukukhuluma izindaba zabantu ngisengigule mara solo ngiyakhula nazi nangithaka indaba zabantu usisi uthi vele ngihlale vele ngithole lapha vele ngithi mina ngifuna ulala vele yabona naye vele abona ukuthi vele sekune tension ke manje yabona akusese asabise bubbly and stuff sihleke kunebube namagigils there vele uthi vele ngingene esingubeni hayi vele ubhida ngene esingubeni uthi mangihleli ngiwani ngizibuza ukuthi mara you know what emangimvalele ngaphandle lomuntu lo like ngiyabona ukuthi like uyangithanda so why don't you want to wife ukuthi ngibe snacks and thinking ngale 40k per month yabona plus indawo ungayikhokheli nje yabona hayi uthi vele ngiyediye vele ngibheke uthi bibalele umunye abhekile omunye abhekile yabona uthi sisi vele ngijike vele ngibheke ngapha ngakuye uthi vele ngicela ngimbamba baba uthi mangimbamba baba uguy athatha isandla sami asithi asibuselelana kimi uthi ngibona ukuthi musilakho se-striking zisathula uthi ngizame futhi vele ngimbambe ngithi hayi man baby come on uthi phela mina azange ahlangana noPieti savala iminyango behind closed doors sithi kuphela sangayenzi next uthi bekuqala vele becala so relationship ngiyaqala becala ukuthi vele siyahlangana omunye nomunye uba se-spacing sakhe uthi vele Peter hayi not tonight baby okay uthi hayi nami vele ngibona ukuthi hayi vele kuyabheda Press phone uthi vele athi vele abheke side so lo vele uthuli ithi ngimbuza ukuthi what's going on like talk to me hayi bet vele uthi athuli athi I've got a headache ngiyama ngilale nyana ngizokhuluma mangiphaphama ngizokuvusa sikhuluma yabona hayi girl uthi hayi vele ngipress phone ngishaya ubuthongo vele hayi vele ngilale no beat naye alale hayi uthi ngabo matha vele so kulabona lesikhathi ubuthongo obumnandi uthi mvusi womuntu hawu ngiqangithi papa uPiet leso sikhathi uvukile sekagcokile ugcoke sikibe semnyama neshort emnyama hamba ngezinyawo uthi ngimbuza ngithi hawu babe uyapi uthi hayi man futhi sikhulume nganda thing leyo besithe sokhuluma ngayo ke uthi ngibheke isikhathi abo AM ngithi hayi wena ekseni kangaka phela sengamatha manje hayi asihlala sokhuluma ekseni yabona athi Piet athi no I cannot wait kumele ukuthi ngitshele ukuthi what's going on for your own safety hayi uthi makathi own safety vele ngithi impidini ngihlale ngithi what's wrong vele uPiet athi mina like ama-riches wami avela kula manzi la ngikutshelela ngisho uPiet ulo usisi athi ungitshelile but you didn't tell me ukuthi yini yabona uthi mina I think ukuthi fanele ukuthi ngikutshele tonight buzile la ukuthi uzobona lento enginayo for us ukuthi see to the next step so up until ngayibona ngalento le now uba at risk ukuthi ngakulimaza but excuse me ugel athi anyangilimaza yini kanti lento yakhe yalimazana yabona isimale tukuna ngenze Popeyes And as there is this lady ku-Instagram ungithumele nalani ula ku-TikTok but uthengisa ku-Instagram ungithumele ibiza kande lento lesigcokayo yini bonnet yazifanele nginikhombe mara ungithumele yona guys manje sesithi ngizoyigcoka mangenza ama-doubreds because vele lifuna mawuchinile vele ukukhulu sesithi ngizoyiveza leso sikhathi manje selona ngiyadelay ukuchina ayifanele ngizoyiveza ngizoyiposta kusasa inhle isuka inesikhwama sakhona inhle njani ngizolibonisa tomorrow hey yabona bathi vele back to the story nami yabona kanti mengizela ku ugel uthi vele ngithi yini uthi gcoka sikhambe uthi makathi gcoka ugel nayibona la mali njalo esogcokayo like ngabo Valentine so for la ma 666 week uyabona fancy niyabona la vansa gcoka la ma 666 week niyabona vele le iba ye brand endlana iba nesliti then la iba yinet iba ma safe niyabona iba ilace niyabona ngisho usisi uthi ngitholo ibekile la emnyama but le is like a gown ibopha la and then la ivulekile so and then it's black and then vele ilace uthi ayigcoka lento le uthi ngifuna ugcoka like igown yakhe eso ngitha engikeza like uthi ayigcoka le it's black usisi uthi ayivele ngigcoke ngaphansi vele ngigcokile iunderwear uthi vele ngigcoke lento le naphi sihambe vele siwalke sil towards lela damu lela swimming pool leya pound something bengikhuluma ngayo uthi silapho vele uthi masifika lapha aqale vele uke more 2.0 uthi ngale umzuzu uphethe something like ibhegere yazi lepikiri nithini ngesizulu ibhegere ngesidebele le cup le ayona yibona yeah uthi uphethe yona ngaleyo sikhathi and then with that cup uthi there is this red stuff marana like ushisile iphuma intuthu uthi vele ahambe vele ayenze so leso sikhathi ukhuluma le language yakhe beyikhuluma lesa sikhathi sisimakafike mina uthi vele ayikhuluma usisi uthi leso sikhathi mina ukutshele kahle uthi ume la ungagijimi ungabaleki umestel yabona uthi nami vele ngaphenduka lapha ngathi ngistage ngami uthi akhuluma lamanzi vele acalathi ngathi ayenza ama wave so uthi you can see ukuthi there is something in there but mina ngiyiboni uthi akhuluma umuntu athi vuthuthu ngalimanzini leso sikhathi mina ngimele ngibhekile lapha uthi vele athi vuthuthu emanzini ngibone ngezandla zakhe solo vele ngalimanzini ngathi uyaswima uthi ngimangale kanti what's going on yabona uthi vele ahlala isikhathi nyana athi tip ngaphakathi ashobele vele uthi ahlala isikhathi nyana vele avusa ikhanda aphume uthi makaphuma la vele athathe still lebhekele la still ayenze so akhulume ngentuthu yabona kodwa na vele uthi athi baby look yabona uthi mangibheka ngibona umsila vele usifuthi chupe emanzini uthi chupe futhi emanzini uthi vele ngithukile kuzobe ku yabona mara ngimila ngibaleki ngithi sengabaleki ngimila ngibaleki uthi vele lento level iyenze still futhi tobe uthi the only part ngibona ko vele umsila and usilver uthi vele akhuluma kodwa vele uthi aguce bona like ama Hindu or amakolo makathana zokuthi ayithanda zena aguce isikhathi esithi so abhawa ikhanda labo like phansi isikhathi esithi uthi ayenze kanjani ashaya izandla vele kube ngathi vele umuntu vele ungenomoya yabonga kodwa lana vele aphakame vele athi beba sambe endlini athi leso sikhathi ngimanzi umjuluke ngamatha AM uthi ngimanzi ngithukiwe ukuthi yini into engiyibonile because the only thing engiyibonile msila ukuthi yini I'm not so sure but ngibona usila osilver uthi umuntu vele athi baby let's go ngimile lapha ngifrizile uthi umuntu vele angibambe vele ngoke sendlini vele afike akhiye vele slide into sakhe lesi qedala nasekamareni guys ngabuye someone guys kuyo ngophathe vele yo the story asibesifuna good life besingafuna mo part 1 part 2 part 3 besifuna life ngisicoce nje for an hour ngisicoce kahle ngasolo ngikhatha yasini okay uthi ayisibele vele endlini masibela endlini ukayivela ngichazele athi leya ntoni wathi okay but aqala mbuzo ukuthi ubone ini yabona but okay uthi I'm still shocked into engiyibonile yabona uthi vele ngithukile vele sola ngikhuluma uthi vele aphakama ngenzele amanzi vele weshuka ngisho like koshoko shockile kabotse my body is in shock yabona uthi vele amenzele vele umbhubhudla ngisho amanzi eshuka athi no drink this uthi vele ngithi nyawabheke ngithi lo angangidraka lo hayi uthi vele ngawaphuza uthi okay athathe i-alcohol i-GNP yakhe uthi angithelele kuthot atiphuza lento lozoba right uthi ngoba uyithele ngibona ngiphuze vele uthi vele ngizele ukuthi babe lesikhathi ngibuza ukuthi like are you ready ukuthi uzoba nami into bengifuna ukutshela yona ile athi kahle kahle wena ubone ini yabona ke uthi ngimsho ukuthi mina ngibone umsila osilver but ukuthi one I don't know but the only thing I saw into is silver nje ithi jompe emanzini yabona athi ya lento leya inegama so angeke si address sithi into inegama for it ukuthi izo yotsebe acknowledge yabona acknowledge yazi ukuthi umbani uzoba mama ngaphendleni kumbe kumele ukuthi ngi-introduce ukuthi mina ngoba manje ngisho sengiku engagile phela like kiyakhoroba emsadi yakhe that's the reason ngize ngilethela bengakhona ukulethela nendlini because bengile ukuthi yona i-approve eqala so now i-approve ukuthi ungaba mfazi wami engage so I had to ukuthi ngilethela introduce physically ugel uthiyo azangize ngiphendule the way bengithuke ngakhona uthi msilomlungu mangimbheka manje uBeatrice ngithilo uthi Beatrice mangimbheka azi ngibona ngathi sengibona inyoka manje ngisabona umuntu ngithi amehlo akhe ngisho agree uthi musibangibheka la amehlo la ngithi hayi lento ngeke ngiziphenduke inyoka mara ngilele ebusuku kulona uthi vele ngize ilokuthuka but like vele ngisibambe vele ngingajumpisi ukuthi sengimcabangela ukuphela ngawo lo muntu angangenzani ayi uthamtshela ukuthi lento le igama layo umindi inegama umindi so each and every time afuna uaddressa or afuna ukukhuluma ngayo angathi into athumindi ikhona ubona ukuthi usisi uyayamkela naye yabona athi one day uzoyibona yonke for now le piece oyibonile itele shows ukuthi iyafuna ukuthi wena uyibone so one day uzoyibona but ungathuki okay uthi so awuthi like unemali una everything ilento lelithi imali na uthi vele ngimbuze vele straight direct uthi vele Beatrice vele ngasaba ungichazela athi yebo lento le ingilethela umnotho and lento lena is very harmless lento lena just ingenzela ukuthi mina ngibe nale everything ngibona we provide la yona it's because of umindi okay uthi sho ngivele ngibe shocked uthi ngaleso sikhathi manje sebo past 3 to 4 hayi uthi vele ngisabe vele kulanga sakhondala ithi nje ukuthi ngicela ngenzele ikofi bathi amshe time singahamba siyolala abana athi ema ngiphuza ikofi icala uthi vele angenzele ikofi vele siphuza uthi like in the back of my mind I'm asking myself uthi wena Jessica are you ready for this mara kilobona uthi impisi ngiyaphuza lapha msiphi ngazibuza nge1 ngiyaziphendula uthi hayi vele ushayabo 4 vele athi ayisambe solala man like mina ngikhathela ngingakalalanga the whole time yabona uthi vele sambe sikamareni uthi masifika kamareni ubhidi afune siphathisa sawo uthi vele uzimba wami vele ungavumi vele uloke ngimtshela ukuthi no babe I can't athi no we have to because now umendu skill approval so kumele ukuthi masiyenza isiphathise sokushuthi sisila detail ukuthi ungewethu mina nomendi kayisi mara mantombazane sithatha ispeed esingaka nje ispeed uthi vele ugayile vele uthi ngele ngala angitshele vele angincenge lokhu serious athi phela we need to ukuthi vele sazi ukuthi vele uyayijona le ndaba yethu yabona kumele ukuthi vele isiphathe today sisidle akukhonakala ukuthi ujiko kusingakasidlanga to show ukuthi wena ungowami nomendi. Ugele uthi hey ngicabanga ngithi okay akusanendaba ke because ngiyibonile global hayi vele bathi balisiphatho sebusuku ke uthi lelo langa vele aphume igazi vele Ugele uthi ngiphume vele igazi vele ngibeka uma period same time. Uthi ngimbuza ukuthi why uthi nami ngiyamala maybe like umzimba wakho uya react ngoba ubuthukiwe so angazi yabona uthi vele ngiphume igazi uthi le back of mama ngizwe ukuthi you know what igazi lami ngizoshiya la uthi vele ngivuke ngithathe amashito vele ngwafaka emshinini ngeze everything enegazi lami vele ngithela idomestos ngizosho ukuthi akusala istain segazi kulendlule. Hayi uthi vele bit from that umuntu vele ujabulile uthi uyambona vele yazini ujabulile uhappy ungicabuza umlomo lana entameni ngapha emgogodleni uthi ngaleso sikhathi mina vele ngiyanyanya. I'm asking myself ukuthi ngilala nomuntu ophilayo or ngilala nesilwane na yabona. Uthi vele kusevele ifisikhathi uthi vele mina ngihambe ngimsebenzini uthi vele angicabuze umuntu in my account 100,000 at babe go buy yourself anything. Athi hamba uyula ma expensive mall and buy yourself the most expensive things that you want. Athi ngiyakuthanda I'm happy that Mendi uya approve naye uthi uyakuthanda. Cabanga guys cabanga. Ugele uthi yo vele ngithuke vele kokugcina ngisile ukuthi avele ngisifakile ngiyofuni yabona la ngisifakile uthi vele ngidrive from Kapiet until emsebenzini ngingadlali neredo ngithule ngithi tu asking myself 21 questions and kulama 21 questions nginganawo ma-answer. Uthi vele ngafika emsebenzini vele ngicela ngathi you know what I'm not feeling well can I go back home but vele bathi hamba. Uthi vele phela ngamtshela ukuthi ngendlini uthi vele ngahamba ngaya straight enkonzweni kumama laba abahlolayo uthi vele ngaya lapho ngiyohlolwa ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uthi mangisavela bathi bekune line la behlola khona like indlu sondeni kunesitopu so yabona la duzenendlu. Uthi mangisavela vele lo mama lo athi wo ungangeni ngicela ukuthi ume lapho ungangeni ngizokhasha ngamanzi before ungena kuleli jarata ungangeni. Uthi vele ngime lapha yana uthi vele umama afike vele lapha athi mntwana yini into oyenzayo yabona yini into oyenzayo mntwana uyabona ukuthi uzosibulala uphila yabona vele uthi lo mama vele athethe yabona. Uthi vele mangimile vele lapha yana athi kimi athi ngicela namuhla ungangeni la ngizokupurifya ngalamanzi but ungangeni hamba endlini and then kusasa ubuye uze la singizokunceda. Ugele vele uthi ngidrive vele ngibile endlini uthi on my way ubhede vele angifonele angibuza ukuthi ngikuphi. Ngithi no ngiphumile emsebenzini ngeshop ngiyothenga ama pets angisi right something ukuthi ngeke ngiphinde ngiyemsebenzini because angisi right. Ubhede athi I know what you're doing. Athi don't do that please don't do that yabona. Ugele uthi ngimbuza ukuthi ini ngenza ini athi please don't do that if you love me ungayenza into yenzayo yabona. Uthi vele ngishayela uvalo vele and lo mama uthi ze come back tomorrow and ubhede uthi ngiyazi ukuthi wenzani lento ofuna ukuyenza ungayenzi. Uthi vele guys ngadrive vele ngazile endlini ngafika. Hayi ugele uthi vele ngifike endlini vele ngilale. Uthi vele ngilale ngingazazi ukuthi ngenze njani. Uthi ayikho umuntu ngimtshelile even my friend even my closest cousin ayikho umuntu ngimtshelile as in angikhona confide to anyone because I felt like ukuthi akekho umuntu uzongibelieve lento engikhulumayo. Uthi vele ngalala lapha embedeni guys yo ngiyabuya. Hey someone guys ngibule ngophat 8 kaguge more 2.0 yey usisi uthi vele mina ngilele vele endlini ngizwe go uthi vele ngirashe vele ngemnyango ngithola vele ubhede vele umuntu vele ubufula vele ngibona ukuthi ukwatile. Uthi vele ngibuza ukuthi what the hell are you doing futhi mina ngithi ngenzeni athi ye I know ukuthi wenzeni athi don't do that please don't do that. Uthi vele ngipheke ngithi kanti ngenzeni kilo wona uthi ngizenze vele ngezimangazi isithi ngathi angazi next angadlala ngikahle guys. uthi vele ngisimangazi ukuthi ngathi angayenza next kanti I know ukuthi ngenzeni. Uthi ubet angitshele kahle straight angifihleli athi lela la ngicela uintroduce lapha senzeni mina nawe. Athi lela langa mina nawe after whatever that we did after introduce ku-Mendi senzeni angisho mina nawe sidlele siphathise zehlumo. Jessica athi yabona lebo ritual ukuthi into kimi ingena la kuwe mina nawe siso if ebuzo gijima kulabantu laba abasebenzisa lokwamanzi just nokuthi you die because lento lehlala emanzini it knows very well ukuthi wenzani. And if ufuna ukuba sempilweni yami and safuna ukuthi uphile umntwana wakho stop izinto zenzayo stop eksese manje. Okay uthi ngimbheke uphethe ngithi uthini athi ngisho kanjalo if ufuna uba sempilweni yami and continue uphile umntwana wakho yeka lezi zinto zenzayo ngiyakukhuza. Okay uthi masengibona ukuthi yabona la kanyiwa la yabona lento ngizifake la hayi shemudodi. Uthi vele amtshele kanjalo vele uphethe vele uthi vele unyanyele phela uphethe bathi vele uphethe vele ajike athi mina ngiyahamba ngiyangapha if ufuna ungibona uzongilanda kwami uzongithola kwami. Uthi vele hamba uthi vele nami nje ukuthi lapha ngisayi lapha angisayi ngihlale vele endlini. Uthi 2 hours umuntu abuye uphethe akahle kahle yini sahlukana or sathanda nini inkinga yakho ubuzo Jessica was like no mina I'm not fighting ngisihlalela nako wangizileni because ngithiseke ngangifuna uzongithola le I'm expecting ukuthi uzoza so now awuzi uJessica type ungabi ne drama mina I'm here if you want to be with me come here athi from now on ngisalala la I need to sleep there every night so if you want to see me come to my house. Okay uthi ngithole ngibonga ukuthi awana lana nginthisise nomthontsongo and ukuthi ngiskip angakuthi ngenze kanjani yabona. Hayi uthi ke okay shavele ngivuke vele ngihambe naye vele sibiyelele endlini kaMendi. Uthi vele sifika manje uthi masifika vele lento le like ukuchabela kemirere and stuff like that uthi vele ngakufili uthi vele ngingene mangena vele ubiyet vele first thing ayenzile uthatha le komishilelana ayenze intuthu angirantsele ngelintuthu angirantsele ngalentuthu angirantsele akhulumele foreign language yakhe akhulume uthi ngimile lapha vele ngiyampe ngithi what are you doing athi phela ngiyakuxolisela wena bazokulimaza ngiyakuxolisela ukuthi bakuxolele vele ayenze whatever yenze athi kneel down uthi vele ngoqi athi xolisa say ukuthi wena you sorry in apologize uthi vele ngikhulume nje nomoya ungawuboni mara ngiapologize uthi vele ngiapologize kodwa vele siphakame sibe right. Hayi umuntu vele abe back to normal umuntu ngimazi ubabli ukhuluma ama jokes angahlekisi uthi hayi nami vele ngithi ukuthi you know what hayi sikholekisa gakho kutlatira nabona guys uthi vele sihlale vele endlini uthi ngimbuze vele kahle ukuthi uMendi umthole nini umtshela ngichazela ukuthi hayi Mendi into yami yakudala ye in yabona amchazela ama details athi manje isebenza njani amtshela ukuthi uMendi akazwani isiphithiphithi enazana lana nala vele ukungena noma ubani athi lana kwambubona angena abantu lana kwaMendi mina mangifuna ukwenza something I ask permission kuMendi uyongiphermita ukuthi ngenze whatever so for me to be this successful is because of uMendi so ngiyam respect and afanele ukuthi ngimhonorisho time and again yabona. Hayi ugele uthi okay akunankinga hayi ngizamukela uMendi uthi so manje mina ngizombona ni physical uMendi athi the day I ready ukuthi umbone wena uzombona but ukhona omunye enginaye in my other house in another province so nalo fanele ukuthi ngiintroduce kuye but as long as Mendi approve wena so remo. So man guys, how are you guys? I'm back. I almost died. Yay. Abelitopela libenzo ngiposta nini benzo body poster bakhalisa lequlu lilwane nento ya what something like that. Azange ngigule kangaka impilo yami yonke. Azange ngigule kangaka ngigulile guys yo ngibe ngcono one day the following day ngibe worse. Hayi flu shembe ngiphethe nge chalk slab nabona itoro zabo kuke mori mangazikhuluma last year or last time spring guys ngithi last time ngikhuluma istori sakho kuke mori yazi ngagula iviki lonke namanje kuke mori 2.0 ngigule 2 weeks and like yo bengigula guys ukuthi labo ngana test awuphuza amanzi akana tasting, everything nje is tasteless nje mawuthi yazini almost ngifa almost nibone le challenge le ukuthi what do you bring on the table. Ngiyadlala guys. Ngcono kakhulu ngakhona ukukhuluma isentence yonke ngasakhohleli. And back to the story. I-recap ne asibeleni phela emsebenzini i-recap kanti sigcine kuphi. Okay, kuke more ngisho lakhumbula 2.0 uPiet no Jessica. uJessica introduce kulento le Jessica ongliso umsila wathi then wathi into lezo izos then kwathiwa uJessica izoziveza ukuthi Jessica if ready and say ready ukuthi Jessica ngayibona ngiyakhumbula ngisho. And then kuke more wathi there nayo enye in my other house esithwala sinye in my other house utshela uJessica. Jessica was like nathi we will go to my other house uzobona ukuthi naye fanele ukuthi ngi-introduce, but as long as you introduce to the main one yabona everything is over sharp. uJessica it's okay ngingabe nenkinga, it's okay cause ke tla re ke bophelo baka and sinokunuku sesivela imali phela emhlabeni. Hayi ugel uthi vele ngihlale sinazo ukuthi mina every night ngilala ka Piet manje cause lento lesiyangazi Piet mangisendlini angifonela buya endlini phela like I miss you. Uthi okay mina no Piet izinto zethu zibe right guys, zibe right. uPiet was like okay now that Mahadi lobola i-process and everything, so ngifuna ukuthi silungise vele kube indaba zama white wedding sicede yonke into bona kube dulu nje finalize ngazi ukuthi owam okumthethweni yabo things like that. Ugel uthi how abuzuPiet what's the rush cause mina now akusisala sihlangene yabona, so mina it's fine ukuthi ke yapere engagement ring, I'm okay with it, but let's wait before singathi sifuna yenza i-white wedding yabona. uPiet was like no lezinto lezi phela before ngi-introduce izintweni eziso bekumele ukuthi ngabe sengikushadile, so thina sithatha senza ama-shortcut and so things like this futhi ube fully ngewami uzinikele like ukuthi uwami feel bona. So ke uthi ngingabona inkinga mina on that. Hayi vele ngikhulume ne-family be excited phela ngwana bona onyala kengi ke legoa ngoba uthi hayi i-family be excited. Uthi mara uPiet angitshela one thing at before we can proceed with everything asame sendlini yami le then lesithole sami lesisinye sikhona ukubona sikwazi yabona. Uthi hayi ba plan vele weekend away yena no Piet ban uthi plan we. Uthi how on Friday late uPiet athi uyathi no buzolala ngapha endlini kaPiet buzolala ngapha. I think ukuthi it's time now ukuthi sense the next level yabona. Okay uthi how ngizibuza ukuthi how next level yani because sesithi uzongintroduce ngale ngapha so introduceile ngesharp, so what's the next level? Piet was like no come on baby come this side. Uthi vele ngendlini kaPiet uthi mangifika endlini kaPiet uPiet vele ugqoke all black ubeke izinto zami ezimpedeni i-all black uthi ekhumula ugqokilesi. Uthi ngiyabona ukuthi musla ingi ritual. Uthi ngimbuza ukuthi hani Piet mangiza la every day sizoyenza ama ritual na athi no geza ugqoke lokhu then sizolinda ngesikhathi esi-right and then ila so yenza khona the second ritual. Bangisho bebona uvumela ukuthi everything ngayenza. You said you are okay with everything, so phela we need to move to the next level. Angeke sihlole simi leveling A1. Miyangibamba ugel uthi ngikhumule vele ngigeze vele ngicela ugeza ngigcokele izimpahla vele esimnyama. Uthi like lurking ibiza i-gown but lace gown black nina dress black shoot everything fine ukuthi be black. And then uthi sama ngezinyawo uthi vele aqale vele athi samsihlala ngale dining room avule nama sliding doors athathe lezi jaleso. Uthi this time abeke 4 yezitsha azibeke yabona la sliding doors like a stoop, so uthi azibeke so yabona la stoopini abekele ugelo angale manzini phela uthi vele alayitele into yabo le bayilayitayo uthi vele aqale vele acule but aculele phansi acule slow uthi mina I'm there watching because sengiyazi ukuthi already into le ngiyibonile but not fully sorry guys uthi ngiyawudla into le ngiyibonile but not fully so angisathukanga like ekuqaleni so sengiyazi ukuthi okay this le step lesi ilisten after the step kuba yini yabona uthi vele ahamele phansi iculo and just lighter and just tell her something la ngathi mayithela kulento lokuthi yabona uthi anjathele lapha uthi abize mara still ubiza negama lami lapha makabiza but mina not hearing ukuthi uthini ubiza igama lami uyabiza uhlanganisa negama lami kulento leyana yabona ceda la vele afika hlala phansi athi we will wait for midnight before we can proceed but at least now we process iqalile hayi uthi sihlalenyana vele sibukele ithi uthi ngithi mina yazi ngifila ngathi ngiphethe buthonga but you lay down embedeni kancane and then uzovusa ngesikhathi Piet was like okay ngihamba nawe embedeni uthi masifike embedeni phela ngeke baratana bafihla one thing yabona but sifike sebusuku okay uthi how wena mgeli uthi uPiet vele ubhiza ngisho uPiet ubheke ngapha mina ngibheke so uPiet ubheke ngapha yabona uthi hey angithi caps ngibona umfazi like umlungu vele unwelezi eziphephule uthi ngibona umfazi omlungu umile vele like so usibhekile uPiet uso angisho ugeli uso aningcolele chef uPiet angisho so uPiet uso ubhekile yabona and then lo ugel ubheke so ugel uthi ngitaps ngibona umfazi omlungu vele ngijambe vele ngiphusha uPiet ngithi hayi ubani lo yabona mangiphusha uPiet uPiet athi makathi abone vele ugel omlungu athi hayi baby hayi don't do that okay that's nangu umfazi yabona lo mfazi athi ngiyambona but don't do that uPiet uJessica athi Piet are you cheating uyithithela ngumfazi omlungu athi babe I told you good into lena already uthi uyibona usuyibona this is what I was talking about uJessica athi what do you mean athi into le ngikhuluma la into ngithela ukuthi uzoyibona iyo easy and mayizile sokusho ifuna nathi sitress ehlanganyele nayo la enkonzweni lesiphephe la nekamareni nina nina ukukemura atshele uJessica ukuthi I told you ukuthi uMendi Margaret uzosiveza kuwe so lo muntu umona la uMendi uthi uJessica vele ngilo ngithi wena ukukemura namanga umlungu lo muntu wakho kukemura amtshela athi uMendi lo muntu lo uMendi akhona ukusichange ukuthi abe indoda abe mfazi but kahle uMendi kimsadi man and umsadi one jealous so uthi manje ufuna nekamareni lethu so ukukemura was like lesikhathi ngivula ama sliding door so ngavula ngibeka lama bows lying ngikhuluma whatever like bengikhuluma I was inviting uMendi in because uthi uzofuna ungena nathi abe la semithini nethu le uMendi naye ufuna ukuba involved uthi sikhathi how kanjani uba involved kanjani athi wait and see but ungathuki uMendi uthi vele ngaphuma vele indabeni ndiyiphatha uthi ngaphuma vele ngabanda yazi ngaphuma 8 ukukemura noMendi in front of uJessica they did whatever they did qedalana uMendi wahamba wabila ngale manzini uJessica uthi ngavuka vele ngathi wabona ke kukemura izinto ozenzayo mina angisafuna ukuba involved wabona sewuyenza ngona no ngiyanjosha how is it possible ukuthi umuntu uhlale emanzini ajike abo umuntu afikele ayenze uniyenze whatever you did in front of me ungafihli nokufihla then you want me to accept you as my husband kakhonakala kukemura was like you know what Jessica this thing is bigger than you so don't do that ngitshelile ngathi mina everything that I have ivela kuMendi, and anything that I want ngicela kuMendi. Ukuze ube lana ukhona nalempilo iphilayo, it's because of Mendi. So if you want me to choose between you and Mendi, guess what? I will choose Mendi. So you need to set my cards wakho kahle wazi ukuthi ukhetha liphi side. It's either you leave or you stay. So it's up to you. But remember ukuthi mina I will choose Mendi because Mendi uyongilethela umnotho in my life. uJessica wathi wabona mo ngazifaka ku mincemeat, ngazifaka emanyakanyakeni. Uthi vele angitshele kanjalo vele akasho sho akhuluma aya lapha vele kulama bowl abutha amabhola acithe avala ama sliding door. Uthi leso sikhathi sebusuku, and now I'm starting to panic ukuthi what if lento lena ngikwatise ke ingibulale. Now I have to think ukuthi ngumama ngishingane, yabona? Uthi ukelathi okay akusana inkinga ke asilali, yabona? Uthi vele ukuke morvele aqasuke vele angazi vele empedeni, aqasuke vele ekamareni asihlalele vele ngale sofeni. Ukela uthi hayi mina vele ngihlalisele phone vele ekamareni ngihlalisele phone ngishaye ubuthongo. Uthi hawu mangilele so vele ngiyazi ukuthi kunesithunzi like unomuntu ongumele so yabona kunesithunzi esimini. Uthi vele ngivula amehlo uthi mangithi uMendi uthi umuntu ongibhekile vele ngamehlo akashone kusuthule uthize. Uthi vele ngiscream ngithi kuke more well azagijima athi bona umuntu wakho kulabona athi kanti manje upanikelani because I told you ukuthi lo muntu mawupanic uzomkwatisa. Why are you panicking? Because I told you to don't panic. So please don't do that. Please don't do that. Yabona uthi vele ngibona ukuthi kuke more unyanyile. Yo uthi vele ngithule vele ngithi hayi sorry Mendi ngicolise unento engakhulumi. Uthi vele ngithi sorry vele uthi mina sola ngibhekile ngasekudala vele nangiyavele udisappear la ngasekho. Uthi ngabona ukuthi abona la emasebheni. Uthi vele sangisala la until vele ukutse kuse akusala vele ngihambe vele ngidike endlini flatini. Uthi on my way vele ngifone ukuthi mangicela ukuthi vele indaba zamakhadi tsamanyalo in assist missing everything. Mina I no longer want this. Angisangifuni lo muntu. Uthi mama Kambu what's wrong? Akuphelisa yakushaya in fast. Athi what's wrong? Remember ukuthi phela uJessica like she cannot explain kumama ke ukuthi lo muntu uthwele kunani yabona. Uthi hayi just uthi mina angifila ukuthi I'm still young in what mama was like thina sesiprepareile ke asaphindele emuva sikibuthi community or nangwana ka unyala ke legowa so ngasithula ba ka jika because of wena uchugile enflur konomunyana utla gola lona legowa le kutsona gola no udula le lona. Uthi Jessica bona ukuthi you know what la ngizimoshela isikhathi drop phone. uJessica thathi phone afonela umngani wakhe uthi friend this is what's going on between me and Nobit in uthi akhipha ama file akhulume yonke into like detail to detail ukuthi kwenzeka so uthi every single thing. The friend was like so shocked unamanga Jessica athi ngithi ngiyakutshela into engiyenzekele last night khona it's worse. Yayithatha shame cup so ngibona ukuthi mina ngeke ngisakhona. The friend was like lezi zinto lezi bathwa ngena usakhona ukuphuma girl. So manje uphuma kanjani? Angazi but like I'll make but I'm going to yenza insole ngifuna mbikhala yabona wenza in girl because now izinto lezo wona usibonile mina ziyangithusa yabona lo muntu kuyasho ukuthi angakubulala ke if wona you willing ukuthi ukhiphe indaba ezingaka ngempilo yakhe. The friend was like you know what ngizobona ukuthi ngiyenza kanjani. I will try and make a plan ukuthi ngiphuma kanjani kulomgude ngisifake ku but mina ngimile la ngimikhona ngithi angisayifuni relationship. Akele ukuthi afike endlini uthi makafika evele endlini afike vele ashintshe ahamba emsebenzini. Makasemsebenzini uPete amfonele athi downstairs kune gift yakho ngicela ukuthi uhambe elanda ku reception area. Gel uthi vele ngihlike vele ngiphume vele ku office ngibele lifting iphansi uthi mangifika vele phansi umuntu ongithengele roses ungithengele ama chocolate inside kunama plane tickets. Athi another vacation for you my darling, I love you. Ugeli imara nathabafazi. Ugeli was like yo yasin ngacabanga ngathi first time ngimbona siku vacation ngakhohle nokuthi bengikwatile uthi ngamfonela ngathi manje amathikiti as like maybe surprise ngoba uhamba ukwatile ekseni bekume ukuthi unikeze ekseni so nayi surprise yakho asambe kusekumini vacation mina nawe soyi2 sikhona ukuthi sicole ukhona ukuthi ukukhohlwa ngomindi please ngiyacela. Girl was like okay I will start packing mangibe emsebenzini sokhona uhamba ay shem kushuta ukhotsofala ubonile but usafuna ukubona mo mina ugel uthi sihambe ke seku vacation mase ku vacation kanti siya ku the second house yakhe ngisho another province uthi siya ku second house yakhe uthi vele famous endleleni mina nje uthi la siya khona vele sa endlini yami lengitshele ngayo sizolala khona. So I want to show you everything until you decide, and then when just decided ukuthi you still want me or when you want out cause sengiyabona ukuthi so nama doubts. Girl was like hi waiting nama doubts, it's just with this thing is still new and I'm shocked and stuff like that into yenzile ebusuku in but the bit was like I'm sorry for what happened last night but bekumele ukuthi kwenzeke in order for us ukuthi sikhona ukuqhubeka. It's either I choose phela if is imindi athi something nangayenzi fanele ngikhethe ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuba nawe or izostika nomidi for the rest of my life. So mina I'm sacrificing a lot ukuthi mina ngikhona ukuba nawe. So please nawe understand ezinye izinto ngathola ukuthi wena so ufuna ukuba selfish whereas mina I'm sacrificing ukuthi wena ube khona empilweni yami nomindi. Base sesendleleni angithi ngathi wafika la bayakhona. Hayi okay uthi hayi vele ngibona i-point of view kapiyet uthi ngi-apologize ukuthi I like doing it ngakhona I apologize in I will try and understand the situation yakho next time so please ungangikwapeli. Hayi uthi vele hayi vele balende utalana vele kuthathiwe imoto kuhambe endlini. Ugel uthi mayile masifika vele kapiyet second house uthi it's a beautiful house uthi masimangafika ngabelieve ukuthi indlu yakho uthi ngibuza uphithe vele indlu yakho le uthi yeah this is my other house but angiza yizi la ngiza ifuna isidingo but angiza yizi la. Ugel uthi okay mina nobiti vele singene endlini uthi masingene endlini immediately mawungena vele ku dining room uthi hey Sanman guys, how are you guys? Guys, ke nna o ke khutlile ka Kukemor 2.0 ke nna o le Jessica. Nakhumbula ngisho Jessica lo Kukemor bayovakasha kindlini ka Kukemor enye but egu another province nakhumbula ngisho. Yeah. So ugel uthi ayisifikile vele silendile uthi hayi vele siyangena kuvulwe iminyango vele siyangena uthi the house is almost the same design as Leon but asifani ncamathi. Yabona? So uthi masifika vele Kukemor vele afika beka amabheke uthi masifika kune cousin ka Kukemor ihlala lapha yana check everything. Yabona? Should yahlahla ihousekeeper lapha yana endlini. So uthi amtshela ukuthi okay ngoba sesizile ngiyobhukhele neflight ungahamba nenzothi masihamba lana wabuya. Okay shabu the cousin already simthole vele abhakile amabheke should bakhulumile prior ukuthi siyeza vele nafa ukuthi ahambe uthi vele ucousin kome ma small introduction angazi facial cause ungazi ngefoni hayi introduce kathalana cousin athi okay guys mina ngiyahamba nginishini umuzi wenu ay cousin bathi hambe akato hamba cousin vele Kukemor was like baby mangifika endlini yami each and every time if bengekho I need to go introducer ngiyokhuluma ngiyocela ukuthi whatever ngifuna ukuyenza la endlini so imlo ke Kukemor ukukhuluma so uyakhumula uthi mangithi vele nama ngisho already sengiyazi ukuthi ngine uniform yami le yebumnyama nami vele ngiyayibona ibhasi vele ibhale ukuthi Pitori bossman uthi nami ngasabusi kibe ngoyana hore ke atlhobula le nna kapara all black yaka uthi Kukemor vele alayite something apart ke bowl uthi alayite vele aqale vele mayenza into vele ahambe the whole house and then ahambe vele avulele iminyango lama sliding door ayengale ku swimming pool stroke pound yele yakhona ayengapho uthi vele makafika ngale vele akhuluma le foreign language ukela nga understand akhuluma Kukemor abe kumotho abuwe ake tokhuluma lana vele Kukemor abekele bowl phansi ayibeka phansi kube umuntu ojampela ngale phakathi kwepool ajampele ngaphakathi ngaphakathi uthi ahambe ngani isikhathi esidinyana vele nami ngithuke. How after a few minutes umuntu vele aphume vele emanzini makaphuma athi kimi athi Jessica nafa ukuthi ungene ngaphakathi. Okay uthi hawu ngingene ngaphakathi for in manje athi na kumele ukuthi ungene because lento le ifuna ukuthi ungene ngapha emanzini. Uthi ngoba yaleyana zangize ngene wayifana ukuthi ngene but ukukhe athi ungasabuzi ngena please. Uthi vele ngijampele vele ngaphakathi the minute umzimba wami ukhwatha amanzi bongathi ngilobona like lasifana sikhatelethi. Uthi like I could feel ukuthi kwenzakalani but bengakhona uvula amehlo ngingakhona ukumove my body. Ibody yami imove ngathi slow motion with like that. Uthi I could hear voices but ngingaboni. Uthi ngawela the thing mangala sengiyaphuma vele ngiyankukemuri yangikhipha. Uthi to me I felt ngathi ngijampele for 2 seconds but kukemuri uthi I was down there for 5 minutes. Mara sangize ngidrown. Ayisemlo mnu ngiyathakatha muyekeni. Uthi vele ukukemuri amkhiphe vele maphumela ngaphandle vele athi ish lento le ayamukeli kahle. Yazini it ayikufeel kulabona. So for now asiyeke sizoyenza futhi entambama another ritual entambama manje asiyeke for yona ukuthi adjust yabona. Ugela uthi azangibone next but ngiyakhona ubona ukuthi amanzi ayamove in a strange way fana nalawa yana lendlini. Sorry guys. Yabona ziphamli nedlube ngimamathisela izinto le endlini yabona. Hayi sharp. Ugel uthi vele ngithi ngithi ay kuke more ngoba salinde ebusuku rather asihambe ke sizikhiphe like ready out rebetheke moya. Kuke more 2.0 was like girl mina anything that I want to do fanele ukuthi ngicela permission qala. That's the reason masifela sifikise lapha yana. So we are still waiting for a permission. Angeke ngikhona mina ukuthi ngikhiphe and then siphume without approval kamedem. Yabona? Okay uthawu kanti yindle athi uzoyibona lento engikhuluma ngayo izaziza siveza kuwe. Sharp. Uthi vele sihlala endlini ngipheke vele ngidastengana ngithi nami wateng uthi ngidastengana vele ngicede. How ushaya bona ebusuku 10 awu kuke mori nangu futhi sashintshile. Okay uniform uthi okay nami ngikhumule ke ngihambe ngiyogcoka uniform. Uthi this time uvule la sliding door ubeke 4 yama bowls wonke anale into yakhe le yayishisayo iphuma intuthu lawa iPhone. Hayi ugela uthi hayi vele ngithule vele ngabi nendaba. Uthi vele aqale vele ashise aqala ukukhuluma foreign language. Igama lami ngiyalizwa lapho ulifakile makakhuluma ukhuluma ngegama lami. Uthi akhuluma ngeforeign language akhulume and then vele siphume vele soma mina ngime lapha esitupaneni yena vele ame lapha kupound kule pool yakhona ame lapho vele sola akhuluma manje sokugucile ushaya nezandla uyashweleza ngathi usenyangeni vani babona bayenza njani athi uyenza like that athi akhuluma isikhathi eside like ngimana ukuthi this person lento le yenza ini yabona. Uthi vele akhuluma how uthi after vele isikhathi enyane eside ajampele ngale vele ngaphakathi futhi ephulini kuke more 2.0 uthi ajampela qeda ujampela lana vele isikhathi enyane aphume athi girl jampela Jessica uthi angathi ebusuku manje emanzini ebusuku hayi mina ngijampela athi ngithi jampela uthi ungena hayi nathi ngithanda izinto uthi nami ngithi fohlo ngaphakathi ngijampele. Uthi this time vele mangijampela vele ngifile ngathi ikhona into engibambayo like so still kusese ngathi usihaceleli lesana akakhona ukwenza ukumove yabona akakhona ukumove but uyakhona ufeel akakhona nokubona but yakhona ufeel ukuthi ikhona into ebeyimbamba like uthi bekafila ngathi ikhona into emrolile so imbambile yabona. Uthi kathana vele kukemoro wamkhipha kukemoro uthi this time beka phansi under a minute yabona. Uthi amkhipha kukemoro cede umkhipha lana bahamba. Uthi vele bengicacazela vele ngene amakhasi. Uthi mina vele ngahamba ngangena endlini vele ngabe sengiyashintsha ke ngcoka impahla ezomile. Uthi kukemoro vele eze athi yo ngiyaqala ukuletha umuntu like into yami ngafuna ukumukela so ngiyaqala yabona. Ulo ambuza athi kanti kukemoro wena khungitshele la kanti every time awubane nomuntu ufanele umlethela athi ya but you're the first person lento le ingafuna ukumukela same time. So at least manje itizobona ngezenzo zakho ayingakumukelanga like completely mara irito bona ka ditiro tsa gago. Okay, sharp. Okay, Lutho, okay. Mina vele ngithi you know what? Asameke siyolala because market kwenze ritual abakhona ugeza. Abagezi athi uyathi asambe siyolala ke. Yabona? Azipho guys anedlu cabangana. Bengibhizi ngiyenza le. Mama thisela izithombe ebhodini. Yena isuke yaziletlo. Uzingayenza ngani? Yabona? Sharp uthi vele sambe vele siyolala. Uthi vele masiyolala ukuke more vele afuna ukudlala vele lo mdlalo lo wasesuku yabona. Kuke more afuna uthi nami because of new house and stuff like that. Ayilena kibe komuti. Yabona? Uthi vele senze. Uthi mangithi claps sibhizi sithi ayayenza vele. Mangithi claps ngibona omunye ubhudumile omlungu. How? Uthi ngithi Kukemur, look. Uthi Kukemur athi lento leyana. Awu manje yalana indoda. Athi yalana indoda, mari yakhona ukuba umfazi. But yala vele indoda, yalevele umfazi. So kele uthi manje ifuna ini because like siyenzile ritual uthi ushuthi vele iyakamukela. Manje kumele ukuthi lento le ilisiphathi sebusuku. Nami nawe so 3 Jessica clap once kuke moratshelo Jessica kanjalo ukuthi kumele ukuthi sihlanganyele enkonzweni abantu abayi3 naye so ufuna kanjalo. Jessica was like manje ngoba uyindoda uzofuna mina na direct. Kuke more 2.0 was like yes, that's why azizeyindoda uyafuna wena direct. If bekafuna mina direct because was umfazi. Guys, clap once. Salwan guys ngibele ngopart 12. Yey ugirl uthi yey imali impande yesona yangizwe imali impande yesona. Ugirl uthi nalo mkhuvu hlala emanzini wayenza kanjalo nokuna kukemuru we3 but lo mkhuvu walanda ugirl uthi sho awushuzi ngakafangeke ngisafa ikinto sazongibulala. Uthi I did whatever I did with that thing. Ngidala ngacontinue ngayenza whatever ngiyenza no kukemuru. And then to le mayiceda ukwenza whatever yenzayo yaziphindelela emanzini. Uthi kukemuru was so excited. Wajabula wathi uzoba nelaki, uzoba nemali, izinto zakho zizohamba kahle cause this one like isithwalo sakhe kuma sokucala lesokuthi isincane kunale. So this one is the major one. At everything yakho izovuleka, uzoba nemali, uzoba everything that you want uzoyithola. Kusho kukemuru utshela ugela. Hawu Jessica uthi vele sihlale vele over iweekend fisikhathi ukuthi vele sihambe uthi hayi vele sihambe. Uthi vele ngisiphindele endlini. Uthi kule 3 days bafike ngisho bafike Friday Saturday Sunday. Uthi kule 3 days iskin sakhe vana ubone like mawungaba nama scales like newazi amahotshana angazi ngachaza newazi amahotshana latsa amahotshana. Uthi skin sakhe the whole body even the face was like that. So uthi ngitshela ukukema ukuthi skin sami sangimangaza ever since le ritual siyenzile skin sami sinjanjani athi hayi uzoba right le skin sizofubeka then ube ngathi vele nje uceda uzalo uzoba right uzoba ne soft skin like ritual ikhoma ukuthi khona egazini lakho wabona. Uthi vele ngibe nama scales inyani lawo like ngube ngathi skin sami siyahlubeka so I by time mara ngibe right. Uthi emsebenzini mangifika emsebenzini vele bangiphe promotion out of nowhere. Azange ngize nginegotiate, azange ukukhulunywa next but promotion and salary ithi ibe phezulu. Uthi hayi vele ngibelieve ukuthi yabona lento leka kukemuru bano iyangisebenzela yabona. Okay uthi mina noKukemore sihlale kube mnandi uthi Kukemore vele aqale vele agule Kukemore maseyibhedlela bathi Kukemore une-cancer. So now that he's sick, I need to take over kuzo zonke lezi zinto anazo. So Kukemore angitshela ukuthi ngenza sure ukuthi kulesithwalo lesi sikukwenye province angicede inyanga nalesi you need to make sure ukuthi once a week wena naso uyahlangana ngegazi cause Kukemore manje akasakhoni uyagula. Ugirl uthi yo bokuyimi ngapha thiba tamo isithwalo sakho Kukemore fanele sisiphatlo nami ngale ngiyayinyanga mayiphela to another province fanele ngale ngise futhi isiphatlo bayosidla uthi bekuyinto yami ngiyenza every day. So Kukemore was like resign emsebenzini wakho take over kuma companies wami cause kufanele ukuthi kube nomuntu ozobheka oversee everything uthi ngiresign vele emsebenzini wami vele ngirana izinto zakho Kukemore vele like kibe boss lady to everything ya Kukemore yimi vele everything irana through mina. Uthi yo gele ngibe ngibhizi ngenza lezi zinto ngapha ngibhizi ngiphatlo ngapha nyanga maphela ngiyophi isiphatlo ngale. Uthi gele buza one day mangilele ngizokuthi mara something la it's off okulabona uthi ngizumthungizo emathubeni ngabukathi kuba nento ithi uthi ngithayi hayi this is not me uthi angizo futhi hayi ngibetshela Kukemore ukuthi Kukemore something it's wrong I need to go to the doctor. Man Kukemore was like okay hamba yozongitshela ukuthi what's going on cause Kukemore bekangase right. Ugel uthi sihambe ngiyeka doctor uthi mangifika doctor ngitshela ukuthi wena you are 4 months pregnant. Mind you mina noKukemore besingadli isiphatlo besidliwa yilezi zinto zaKukemore. Uthi ngizibuza ukuthi kanjani kanti lezi zinto lezi yakhona ukuthi zipregise umuntu na ngilobona bathi bamtshela ukuthi hayi upreg uthi vele ba-check lapha ku scan ba-check bamtestila ngisho uthi mabamisa ku kanini kanto le sona bamisa ukushona bamcheck uthi they can't see anything ababoni lapha escreen akubonakala but ama pregnancy test at positive. Uthi lo doctor you know what sometimes things like this do happen ema sokuthatha igazi siconfirm kahle ngegazi ukuthi kahle na are you pregnant yabona hayi uthi bangithatha igazi vele ngihamba uthi I could feel ukuthi there is something moving in my stomach but abangabonanga next yabona uthi ngitshela Kukemore ukuthi ay yazini ngile bathi ngipreg but la kusona abakhona ubona next ku screen ababoni next aba pick up anything but I pregnancy test leyo mchamo ithi positive so they decided to take bathatha igazi for them to confirm ukuthi kahle ngiqiniso ngipregnant. Ugirl uthi Kukemore athi yo musima upreg inkinga vele lezi zinto zakhona ukuthi umuntu uzempregise. Ugirl athi hayi athi yazi yakhona and if uba preg so should now uyoba nesithwalo sakho sala uba isithwalo sakho fanele usitholele indawo la sizohlala khona direct cause leso esakho sihlangane swenze ngegazi lakho. Ugirl uthi Kukemore are you serious? Kukemore athi ngiyakutshela yakhona ukuthi uthwale isithwalo usale athi lesi sithwalo sakho sihlangane ngegazi so angeke khona ukuthi siyohlala nesinye isithwalo emanzini mekuthi unasihlale sisodwa sikhule sibe ngesakho vele sibe dominant usho ukuthi wena uyo sicontroller siyozwa ngawo kuyoba ngesakho ngeke manje usaba ukuthi lezi ithwalo ezami no leso siyoba ngesakho direct and sizokhula until siba full term uzosteta like a normal child but esibhedlela ngeke bakhona ukukunceda because bona ngeke bakhona ukusibona so mawuthi uhlalela endlini until uzostetela endlini. Izinto ezenzakala behind closed doors izinto ezenzakala eminyango mayivalekile thina singaziboni ashema ngeke like I sekho sazongithusa mina la emhlabeni ayisekho don't wanna lie. Ugirl uthi yo vele ngiye ka doctor babize for ama results vele athi pregnant udoctor azame futhi ukuthi ayenze isono it's a month later ayenze ngesono ukuthi in yabo. So udoctor athi lana scanning manje iyakhomba ukuthi 5 months pregnant ngama iviki yakhoma ukuthi 5 months but asikhona ubona next akuna next like la kule screen sesona ne but i-heartbeat ikhona and the funny part iyasho ukuthi how many weeks yasho ne-due date but they cannot see lento le any heartbeat uthi Dr. Bheka athi ngiyaqala ukuyibona into nje bahlala beza abantu banesisu esipregnant sicela umoya but singabe ne-heartbeat wena sakho sine-heartbeat yabona athi I'm deciding ukuthi ngcono uku-operate sibone ukuthi what's inside ithami yakho uthikela athi ngicela ningiyeke ngi-right but kube nomunye usister atshele ugirl athi mina if I was you I would go to a church izinto ezikhona zenzakala nga-advise ukuthi uye esontweni ubone ukuthi esontweni bazokuthi yini yabona but ugirl was like okay ngiyabonga ugirl uthi azangisaya ka-doctor vele ngathatha vele advice kakuke ukuthi ngizohlala endlini until lento engiyithwele la esuswini iziphumele ngibona ukuthi yini ugela uthi ngihlale 4 5 6 7 8 uthi ngibe nesisu vele esikhulu vele somuntu opreg uthi sibe sikhulu vele sibe round njengomuntu opreg yabona uthi vele ngihlale 9 months uthi hayi vele ngivele ebusuku midnight uthi vele ngiyazothi ngiphethe amapeni uthi hayi ngivusa ukukemora angisi right in yabona ukukemora ukuthi leso sikhathi ukukemora bayangasi right bayahamba i-chemotherapy but bengamphathi kahle vele bemhlangahlanganisa uthi ukukemora athi Emma let me call my nurse azokuncedisa bona at this thing athi ugela athi wathi fine sakho ufika khuluma ngezinto ezengenzala endlini ngcono mina ngizositetisa wena uza ngibona if angisi right uzomfonela yabona ugela uthi musisakhuluma so uthi boo kuphuma amanzi ngathi yijeli mara white ugela uthi musingithuke kokugcina ngithuke makuthi pho uthi ngizwe vele ukuthi kuba nento vele ifuna ukuphuma uthi vele ngiphushe uthi ngiphushe kube nento ethi fo vele iphu. Sanibona guys, how are you guys? Ngibuyile mfana ngilight ngibona ngathi ema yabuya ngibuyile guys ngikuke more part 13 yey ngifaki ad ngifaki nya advertise phela nami linathwanza uri ke bele borotho ke kentse borotho mo nifuna ukuke mo otani nina otani lendo ang guys nethuthi ayibona ivelvet and a thick nina this thing lama scatter cushions mahle guys mahle uthini ama infinity cushions odeni mina mahle yazi cabanga sobeke ku couch yakho nje nina odani and uthi yakhona ubona lawa ngene manje lawa afokhona ulenza lena ulithi thola likobiki uthi yakhona ukwayenza nalawo yawayenza but mina bayafuna ukwenza lama design so yo odantu ama room abe mahle odan lama infinity cushions ama dining room ame bahle cedile advertise nena kasigcine kuphi ngcoke nepijama kamama ngayipha umama nethibele itafuleni ni-ordeni nina guys ne please order and follow ishe and like umsebenzi kaSisi batse ba ke nkirna re ba sa ditshwantse re supporta neng ikilo bona mara ugele uJessica kuke more ukhona uJessica ukhona uJessica uthi vele ufike something vele ethi push yabona sorry guys uthi ufike vele that feeling ukuthi now you need to push uthi push uthi what the fuck kuphume vele nayazi I jellyfish like nayibona jellyfish uthi kuphume like something eshaping ngathi ingane but around so ngathi jellyfish so vele ijeli ihlwihlu nalazi ihlwihlu nibiza ini man remembrance or in something like that uthi into khona like yami uthi vele athuke vele okay athi uthi kokwemwe athi uke athi ithathe masingifake esitsheni uhamba uyichithela ngale ku swimming pool ayisingane ingane yakho but ayekube ingane yakhe yokhulisa umendi bathi vele angisho ukemoro ulele phansi ukemoro uyagura kakhoni vele bathi ugel vele aphakama azidonsa qeda ukuzala aphakama afake lento levele ngale esitsheni iye ngale vele kumendi uthi vele makasathi uyahlele lento levele kuphume nengubo angisho ukuthi manje uthetha kuphuma nengubo umntwana uthi vele kuphume nengubo athabiza uPiet athi Piet kukemuru come and see yabona athi kukemuru vele athi ngiphume nengubo umntwana athi nayo ithathu iphonsele ngale ku pound le yabo swimming pool pound yabo le hlala khona umendi uthi vele aziphonsele ngaphathe ukemuru athi masinya amathala amabhawuli wabeke lapha eminyango ulayide and then ngizokwenza ngizokufundisa ukuthi uyenze kanjani ugel bathi aphakama leso sikhathi uvuza igazi guys uvuza igazi uthi vele aphakame ngizidonse vele ngihambe ngibeke lamabhawuli la uthi mangibeka lamabhawuli la na vele ubani kuke utamtshela ukuthi ikhuluma isho so uthi vele ngisho vele athama ukucela lapha ku swimming pool uthi vele ngihambe vele ngilapha ku pound liyana ngigucela lapha ngebhawu lephuma intuthu le A1 uthi vele ngikhulume uthi amanzi and time ikusake negazi phela uthi vele amanzi mos abis athi uthi vele leso sikhathi ngigcoke ina dress kuphela ngingepuna ngagcokanga guys uthi vele akhulume makade ukhuluma lana vele umendi vele aphume form yomuntu vele umuntu wesifazana uthi vele aphuma uthi umendi vele bathi ambek kodwa bathi umendi vele aguqi lapha go Jessica guys uthi bathi umendi vele aguqe vele athonta amanzi so aphume athonsa naye igazi uthi aguqe guys aguqe so uthi ketalana athi abong ketalana ajumpele futhi emanzini guys hayi mina uthi sikasha ngimdivorce ekudala enhlizweni yami umntwana onjani lona uzalo umuntu lo ona umntwana alabo Jess abomendi thina le story guys sizibona esama Popeye sisakhula bo kanti bani lo Popeye le yata sisakhula le meme kanti bathu bani le ne crab thina besazi like ama mermaid kuma Popeye bazanga like sibone a real thing guys bathi vele ketalana ukukemuru vele bathi vele ambisi bathi ngevoice ebhanza athi me athi we Jessica uthi vele ngiphakame vele lapho uthi mangiphakama vele lentuthu lento le vele ngilayidile vele icishe uthi ngiphakame vele uthi mangiphakama vele ngithole vele kukemuru lapha vele phansi uthi vele mangigijima vele ngize uthi vele kukemuru bekaphuma like igwebu aphume igwebu uthi amtshela ukuthi ngiyashona ukuzala kwakho kumbulele bekumele ukuthi uzongrescue mina indima yami la emhlabeni ngikephethile everything izindlu na everything is shela wena amtshela ukuthi kunama documents uthi vele amtshela ngama documents uthi akuphi transfer of what in zama business zonke izinto ama documents idala wayenzile vele kukemuru athi uyathi ngizishela wena so make it the point ukuthi uthlokomela umendi uthlokomela nalo wangale ule another province bathlokomele labantu labo bazokubheka yabona uthi vele ulo ala athi ngithi awushoni ngishana lemhlolo angeke uthi ngivuva ngithonta igazi kukemuru lele phansi uphuma ugwebu uthi vele ngamdonsa kukemuru ngengubo ngamdonsa ngamsondeza ku swimming pool uthi vele alayida futhi le bhawuli le ngisho layidela wamanye itiri wabekela lapha eminyango wabekela so 1 2 3 alayida futhi le bhawuli uthi ngambisa umendi ngambisa ngathi you cannot do this mendi vuka buya yabona buya yabona bathi vele amanzi sola athi umendi sola kaphuma uthi vele uJessica uthi ngaziphonsele emanzini ngaziphonsele phela now I need to negotiate ukuthi angabulala kukemuru because kukemuru umuntu ongifakela and mina lezi zinto lezi ama rituals angazijwayelanga be first time today ngizala ngenza i ritual so I can't uthi vele ngijambe uthi vele mangijumpa lelo langa uthi ngihlele ngijumpa mina ngiba unconscious ngabona ukuthi what's going on yabona uthi vele mangijumpa vele uthi vele mangijumpa ngihlangane noMindi vele emanzini uthi like emanzini ne like kuno umhlaba like umhlaba like it's like umhlaba isiphila kuwo but umhlaba wasemanzini mara namhlaba uyakhona ukukhuluma ungahameki ubona izinto ezingenzala ngaphansi kwamanzi but ungahameki uthi vele ngangena emanzini guys ngakhona ukukhuluma noMindi ngamtshela kahle ngathi hey polisa lo muntu ngiyacela ngabazala abantwana babe baningi but ngiyamdinga lo muntu lempilweni yami umuntu ongilethele injabulo uthi vele nganegotiate but vele uMindi athi you know what if you negotiate so you need to sacrifice nge family member yakho ithatha isikhundla sakaPiet Nina hayisabuya South Africa komithina singazi you need to sacrifice one of your family members then uzothatha ispace sakaPiet because uPiet bekumele ukuthi ahambe vele but girl at what do you mean athi ngithi you need to sacrifice one of your family members khetha ukuthi ufuna ubanzi sacrifice ngayo and isikhathi siyahamba uPiet uyashona but girl at you know what kukemuru family member kukemuru family na sacrifice uthi vele asho ukuthi khona umalume omunye ngimthandi mthathe athi usho athi yes athi okay bathi yazi bathi ugel bathi kuye bamtshela ukuthi phuma la emanzini makuthi uphuma la ukukemuru umthola kumele aright ugel uthi immediately mangiphuma nje ukukemuru ngimthola umilo right ngale shot yakhe vele emnyama neskipa sakhe simnyama umuntu right ngathi azangaza khule kaizi hayi nyabuya. Samran guys, how are you? Nibuyile. Izolo life lo mambo mbashini. Anizangithayipeli nithi geli cubisa umlomo. Hey. Nina mara ngaphangihlanga-hlangeni. Nina. Anisasho ngapha ngiphethe indaba zakho kuMakena ngapha ngathukwa. Gogo Makena guys uyasibambe nge-satellite izolo yasiku live ngintshela manga. There was something outside yesterday. Mara fancy ku live yes Saturday kuma Saturday singini live until 2 AM like sin ayimele singine ku live Saturday silale khona live kahle sishaya silale live bona senza amacoffee namakhokho namanzi swabeke eduze sizaya kuma toilet breaks hey Ngibuyile guys ngokukemuru part 14 hey le story injeli and guys uJessica lana ku TikTok angimazi ukuthi ngubani because le story usithumele nge-email so angazi ukuthi kahle ubani or uyabukela ama video wami lana ku TikTok kuhleke angazi because I received the story ngicela ukuthi make it a point to keep me anonymous but ku TikTok angimazi but hayi Jessica hayi shema ngalo ngibhalele girl but abana le nyonyo for them uzifake kiyo hayi mina shema yangithi futhi ngibana ama nightmares yazi and into yakhona mokhuluma ngathi wena like bukhona la kule story like mangu hayi guys hayi shema bara kuphila kokudibona watseba bathu ngathi umdala ungakaboni yazi mara ngizokhuluma ku live le ngifuna ukukhuluma manje Saturday kanway yebo ngapanga kahle Saturday siku live Saturday or Friday so singena Friday and Saturday sobonakala khona ukuthi itori sisizime kanjani but ngine story yo abelungu mara bayezwa shem abelungu bayaganga guys and manje baya exposeka yazi bakhuluma ukuthi 2024 year of revelations izinto za revealeka like this ezifihliwe for years and years ziphuma ngaphansi seziya ngaphezulu ziphaphamela phezulu ngathi sisemanzini nina uJessica gele kodwa ngicene kuphi ngikhohliwe uJessica nakhumbula ngisho uJessica but ize choose ukuthi sacrifice ubani wefamily yakhumbula uJessica wathi kunomalume wakhe omunye njanja but khuluma igama nesibongo semorumakho sikhona ukumbiza ukuthi a replace uKukemore. uJessica watshela uMendi wasota out izinto. uKukemore yena wavuka kwabafile. Ngiyakhumbula ngisho ngintshela izolo leyo ukuthi uKukemore uthi simkhalisise emakuphuma emanzini. Wathola uKukemore ame like la next to the swimming pool. Alright, agqoke ishort yakhe black neskipa sakhe black. Nakhumbula? Yes. But aphole abenjalo vele uKukemore. Bakela uKukemore athi, you know what, we need to organize a vacation. Siya olwandle. So make it the point ukuthi organize the next weekend. So no hamba. I just think out okay when uKukemore buyendlini like umthusile stuff like that one. So nasokhuluma ngama vacation masinga so like there's no time for vacation. But athi ngithi le iyadingakala ukuthi siyenze. So please make it a point to arrange and sabudi specific ocean lengifunayo. So yalapho ngizokutshela masifika lapho ukuthi soyenza ini. Nina nihlala kanjani namadoda mara nifihlile izinto wena abathi yenze uzobona phambili. Khumbula kwami used to say athi mawuhlala nendoda engathasambe semntwini sina sakhethile umuntu ungavumi. Already sahlanganise nalomuntu uthi uzosiletha lesiphukuphuku wena mafika la uhlanganisa iconcoction yakho simuthu or simenze so. Abantu abadala mara into ezisoba yadala abazazi guys thina sithatha kancane. Hayi back to the story. uJessica bathi vele atshela uKukemore okay ngizo-organize no problem but vele organize everything. uKukemore bathi beka-right but beyangazi 100% right umzimba wakhe cause bekakhona guys that break kwede ebusuku thina sikhathele shem bekagula vele uKukemore so bathi beyangasi 100% emcimane. So but ugel vele organizer a busy vele a pack my bag cause it was during the week. I pack my bag but vele ikibo bayamfonela ukuthi uzwile umalumakho oyitholika accident washayisa ngemoto le moto vele yamshisa ushele ngaphakathi kwemoto. uJessica athi what athi ushele ngaphakathi kwemoto behamba one thole accident washa phakathi kwemoto. So angeke sikhona ukumisa emushari cause ushile so ringe kuri yamntala potla ngeweekend samncwaba so umntwana masicela ukuthi uze emncwabeni. Ngapha uKukemore was like siya ocean ngizokutsho ukuthi wenzani. Ngapha ikibo bayamdinga amalingo ushonile. uKukemore was like you're not going there. Mawungaya lapho awungaya kule funeral uzoyibona angeke ngibe khona mina to help you. Cause anyone sacrifice fanele ukuthi ungayi ku funeral unless usithembile wena chemical engineering ukuthi you are tough, that's where you can go, but you don't go there. Hayi bathukela kumama Kevela avuma athi ayingizoza on Friday uthi amtshele ukuthi bathu uMendi uzophuma as a human form uzohamba nabo. But angeke akhona ukuthi bamscan airport uzosenza invisible and then uzokhona ungena mara airport uzobona yibo boy2 but la ma security nani izinto zoku-detector anything angeke baze bambone. And uMendi uyohamba nale newborn. The newborn kumele ukuthi ihambe ile ocean uyokhona uthola igama i-newborn ka Jessica guys but befaka phakathi kwebucket le-5 liter. Ayanazi shem ngibuzani. Bathi vele la ngalelo vele uhambe vele lifike uJessica vele as transform uMendi as transform abe umuntu then kube nale bucket leli limhlophe ke elifake lento leyana guys wathi ifike ebantwini ababoni next ibucket kuba ngathi empty mara ngaphakathi kwale bucket ukhona ulo. But mabafika ku airport le bucket le baphinkinga guys indlini nabe bucket uthi hayi fanele traveling ngebucket empty yabona le bucket ngeke likhona ukungena bahamba bayofaka lento le eplasticini. Remember that thing, it's invisible ayibonakali bathi bayifake eplasticini they left the bucket bayifake eplasticini. So inside the plastic babona iplastic empty ngana next but le plastic leya inomntwana kaJessica. Nina abantu basebenza ngeairport mina ndibona imihlolo yazini yantshela guys bathi hayi vele bafika airport ucede vele izinto zabo preparation vele kuhambiwe kuyiwe la kuyiwa khona but abafika vele uPete organize iboat vele yabo babodwa like something like boat cruise nyana yabona ngasibiza in lezi ezincane lezi sikibe zamebo ma 10-6 people so nalezi bathi thola vele uPete organize yona bathatha sambeni abafike le hotel guys amabheki bashemotweni bagibela escape same time bangena phakathi kwescape bathi babangena escapeni bokuPete kungoJessica kule plastic umntwana kaJessica kuMendi and then kule driver le kaPete le driver le kaPete bathi le boat le yakaPete vele so le driver knows ukuthi mabaye ku ocean kwenzakalani so bahamba bathi ocean too bathi mabafike ocean ke guys bathi bafika vele bahamba angazi bathi elwandle kunalaba bakutshela khona ukuthi la uyahamba lenyapha amabhuta so akadlula ngazi in something like that so bathi bahamba until to a point la vele ukuthi abasakhona crossela ngale mara baba inemedlel phakathi elwandle vele la ku deep khona nabish isikhathi lesiphela amasinya na 10 minutes incane guys bathi bafika vele baba izongusuthi ngirecord part 2 part 1 ngiyabuya samanga guys ngibule ngopart 15 kaKukemuri yena isitole singiphamana igmeza ngitshela manga yazi izinto like esizibonayo guys izithatha simple yazi izinto sizithatha simple ugel uthi sihambe vele noKukemuri the driver uMindi neplastic bag oyingane yami uthi screws kanjalo ku-ocean screws sifike vele la bathi amabhoda amancane vele akaluleli ngala ngazi ukuthi bayibiza in leyo area yabona laba restrictor khona ukuthi amabhoda angakafiki ngale amaruso ase-ocean angwazi excuse me bathi vele bafike vele la kulila la laba badraw khona la ukuthi ngapha anjumpile angazi by law of the oceans or whatsoever yona leyo bathi bafike vele bajame lapho uthi vele amabajama lapha yana vele uMendi vele a communicate noKukemuri was like yo wena Jessica uMendi fana ukuthi angene ngaphakathi nalomntwana lomntwana lofana ayithola igama fana ayibona nefamily yaseKibo le ezomkhulisa ezotake over from here uyosala la lo muntu lo uzohlala under this under the ocean angisho ocean under the ocean or under the sea uyohlala lapho and then uzophuma after a certain age makasele right then uzokhuluma noMendi uzosconnecta nalomntwana for now uMendi uyajampela nale plastic noKukemuri emanzini bashale driver noJessica escapeni guys nina Jessica wena haya basali bakho wena bakuzalele kuphi bakudobha kuphi hayi mina ngiyasaba isibindi salentombazana bathi iboat level bamila phayeni center bathi uKukemuri vele jumpile ngale nalo bahambe nalengane ukuthi bayisa ngale ku underworld le yasemanzini labathi bakhona ukwenza and guys ugel uJessica uthi mina and angikwazi ukuswima sengihleli lapha nale driver ngihleli ngimangele ngithi mara ngiyenzani ngaphuma lo mamba yamncwaba mina ngilana esikepeni nalo muntu engingamazi lo muntu makangibulala la ngilahlelela amanzini kuzowenzakalani othi vele ngibe nalama thoughts sengishaya vele nawo nembeza manje so uyangishaya ukuthi really yemi lo ngibulala umalumama ashisa yimo uthi vele lezi zinto lezi senzike uthi zibuye one by one ukuthi azala uKukemuri yagula bathune cancer mara nangupholile ujambe uthi like yazi kube ngathi ifilm iyadlala so uthi kwaba ngathi ireality isinka in manje ukuthi yabona ke manje sengikukalt and cult is serious yeah marine spirit sengiyo ke manje hey sakayi queen mother phela into ehlalelwandle nina guys hayi mara mantombazana amnyama hayi ke black girls asike emkhanda izinto esingazazi hayi never nina yo ngase ngakhathala emoyeni yazini yo hayi ngathi isori ngizosikhathala yazi hayi mina can't continue guys and yo ngasikhona ngilibutse maka like I can't continue. I'm lost for words ukuthi ngumla kulinga isonto mangicabhala la ngihlala khona vele like dala ngicabhala la nga over 10 years ngihlala ku this area sakulinga isonto guys in befuthi beliya Wednesday, Saturday and Sunday ngisakhumbula so Wednesday nangolosihlanu on the Sunday like I used to go ngabo during the week so by then ne yazi lo mfundisi lo guys yazi preacher mina ndaba zokuthi kunabo marine spirits and stuff like that. I didn't even know about those things. I don't wanna lie. Akhuluma athi kunombuso wamanzi and umbuso wamanzi dangerous and very powerful things like that. Vela a preacher bengathi the whole month we are preacher about lezo zinto lezo ne it happened ukuthi one day guys in kwazo omunye umama esontweni nina akhuluma ngalombuso wamanzi but akhuluma ngale strange voice bamthandazela akhuluma ngenye voice esinaksi hello mama bekayikhaladi gayo yazi le story singikhumbuza le story kwasi izinto wazikhuluma lelo langa lo mama like makakhuluma mina I couldn't believe anything. I don't wanna lie like akhuluma ukuthi we live underwater befuthi kunemoto underwater guys mara khuluma like ngenye voice vele esinaksi nje ene echo dala yokudala before I even had my child nje ngiseseyitshitshi nganangani bengasitshitshi mara benganangani as the story the movie ngisifunda ngiyakhona ubona ukuthi lo mama lezi zinto bengazikhuluma like ziyaklika nezinto zakatshentsha kajesi nena asizimza ucabanga ukuthi story guys hey mara mina ujese kashem yo guys I need a break from this story angeke yazi hayi ngidinga umkhulu ekhunya seras nina and like inhliziyo wami ithi thina siyaya le lwandle ngenkuphu zabo 2 liters sikhamanzi sizana okay bathi yasebenza amanzi olwandle mara nina abantu bazala izinto ezimajeli nina sihlala emaplastikini sisingene but yophiwa igama ingane yophila lapho yoza the day ready for the outside world nina ngapha the husband wele mathi ushiya umfazi escape nina yo I can't guys yabona ke le ingangami ke le wabona eyona straight parking namagapeleji phuma pichana le ke namagapeleji le yangithusa ngishayisa novalo guys ngizosicina le story hayi sizobona kusasa futhi entambama manje sithatheni ibreak session khona la kusasa sizokhuluma ukuthi kwenzakaleni emanzini nina Jessica umuntu mara are you even a human being vele ayo hi sharp guys good night.